This is the camping fair in Essen, Germany. First time I've been here, and this is the first day. This vehicle here is from a company called Illusion, which I have actually filmed in the past, and that was in Poland. This thing here is called the Sunrise. It's a completely new model, and it shows a style which is, I think, the van from the outside looks a bit like something from Italy from the 1980s even. The van inside looks very British, but let's bear one thing in mind, that I think most Germans won't like this, but it doesn't matter what most people want, it's a matter of how many you can actually sell. Bear that in mind. And so this is, I think, a layout which will go down very well with British buyers, for example. Now, let's come and have a look at some of the details. There you got it there, 60,000 euros. So, oh sorry, there's some of the other details, which are, so you can see it's based on the Citroen Jumper. It's 680 centimeters long, 235 wide, and there you've got all the extras and packets, and you can stop the film and see for yourself there. You can see they've got a garage at the back, which isn't particularly large, and we're going to have to go inside to get an idea of why it's like that. And here's some reasons why Sunrise there. So let's go inside. I'm going to do an overall look. Okay, there's nothing out of the ordinary there, is there? That's quite normal. There, got this at the back. Now, where's the bed? Are you going to use it for sleeping in or not? Let's see if we can find the bed. Okay, that wasn't too difficult. There's one, and the other one's down there. So it's a design which is tried and tested. It's a bit like some of the Hymer B-Class, in fact, from the 1980s. Of course, this is in a new van, so it's given an entirely new look to a design which has been around for some time. The 235 centimeter width is it's a bit on the wide side, of course, but you can see here actually get a good idea of the amount of space that can give. Table at the back is quite large, and there's a table up front as well. And you can make it a little bit smaller should you want to do something with that. So you can see now why the outside garage is not so big. So it can just give a very large impression of space here, of course aided by this big sunroof, at the top there. Skylight, that's the word I was looking for. Here we have the fridge, Dometic 3-way fridge. Now there's a couple of steps there, see them down there, open this here. Somebody I wanted to see their fridges. Was a complaint, in fact, I don't show fridges enough. Right, I would say here with the kitchen there's a couple of things, although I appreciate that this is not very deep. It does have a domestic size plug hole there, which you will find very useful in the kitchen, because you can put a net in there and that catches all the bits from the things you're washing up. Okay, that's relatively standard 3-burner hob. And down there we've got the drawers. Don't want to open down, open the top one. Top one was open. And got a plug there as well. They'll probably throw that in if you ask them. And that's, I think, the lid for the sink. Right, in here we've got the bathroom, obviously. I'd like to show this actually. This is quite curious as well. Look at the depth of the shower. Maybe you can't quite see it. I'm going to put on It goes quite a way up there. That must be what? Oh, 25 centimetres. Should you want to put water in there, and you've got kids or something want to splash around. The only thing I would say though, of course, this time it's not domestic, it's one of these old camper van plugs, and there's only one of them. Now, as for space in the bathroom, there's me. In the mirror, you can see lots of space up here, and in the shower as well, plenty of space. Right, got the bed up here, which comes down electronically, and there's the switch for it, and next to under that you've got your 12 volts. You can see what's going on inside the van. Oh, and up there, so I'll show that as well. There you've got your Truma heating. You can see it's on a Citroen basis. Step up here. But sitting in the front, there's quite a lot of space up here, so I'm standing up right now and looking back. Now, the reason I don't like beds over the up front usually is because of it's taking headroom away, but I'm standing up here and there must be about 185 centimeters of clearance, and I shall demonstrate that by standing over here. So certainly it's a roomy van. It's not cluttered. You do feel as though you've got space to move around in. Although the price of that is not much storage here. So of course it depends, as I always say, it depends what you want it for. There's a big mirror. And now we'll have a walk around the outside. Right, so this gives an impression, and it's the same on the other side, obviously. Yeah. So that gives an idea of storage, but you can put long things down there. Well, while we're here, we'll have a quick walk around the stand. Oh, something at the back. Sunrise Beach. Available from EuraMobil Postmar, which is AURORAMOBILE.de. So let's have a look at the other ones while we're here. You can see these other ones in more detail in other films, but I'll just have a quick look around now. Oh, we'll go. Okay. Somebody in here. So this one here is a 60,000 euro van. It's a new layout. And let's go inside. Okay, we've got a small table up here at the front, but at the back there's a much bigger one. Oh, I'm going to see the bed now. So for those people who ask me how does the bed come down, you can see how it works. You put turn the key round and then the bed comes down. And if you want to continue drinking, then you might want to put the bed up. But what this one here can give, it's even got, I would say, an even bigger amount. It seems as though it's much more space. Here's the other bed. and you should be able to get in there by standing on the bench there and jumping in like that. Oh, sorry, standing on the table of the chair. So anyway, but you can see more about this van in another film, which I will do separately. That gives you an idea of what other vans are available. So have a quick look at this one again. And you can see other stuff I filmed from here at Essen in other films.